So, what is the difference between an Exped and a Thermarest air mattress? Come on, Myrtle, let's go! The Exped Syn Mat Ultralight 7 in a medium, and I've been using this pad for about 5 years. It's time for a new pad, and I'm looking at the Thermarest Xtherm Max, and this is in a larger size. This mat is like a 20 by 72, maybe 2.5 inches thick. This one is 25 by 77, also 2.5 inches thick. If they were the same size, the Xtherm comes in a 20 by 72, they would weigh exactly the same. This one's much larger and it weighs 6 ounces more. They come with stuff sacks and they also come with pumps. And the Exped has kind of an unusual pump. There are these inflate and deflate valves, and you just attach it and then you go like this. Whenever I do this in a campground, everyone kind of laughs at me. And it takes a lot of pumps, like 250. You have to be patient. This one has a bag, and there's a little plastic piece here. It just folds over the valve, and you and then you just force the air into the mattress. And I'm guessing about 15 of these. It's a lot easier. I pumped these up last night to see how they would hold air, and you can see this one is still very firm. This one, not so much. And it was something I always noticed when I was using it on tour. It was always flatter in the morning. But the real reason why I'm looking at a new pad is these 20-inch pads, you know what, they're just too narrow. My arms are always on the side, and so I'm looking at something that's just going to be a little bit more comfortable. Until now, I've done most of my use for these pads has been in hotel rooms. There's just a lot of times when a hotel room is sketchy, and like in Asia, the beds are super hard, and so it's a really good idea to keep a pad with you even if you're not going to be camping outdoors. These pads, they are identical in price, $180. This one has an R rating, the rating for the warmth of the pad, how much it retains heat. This one is 3.1, which is very average. This one is a 5.7, which I think is the highest, the warmest sleeping pad for an inflatable on the market right now. There's another reason why I really I needed to get a new pad. And I mean, I've had this pad for 5 years and feel like I've gotten my money's worth. But you can see the baffle here is starting to come away, and I'm sure that will only get worse. And then another reason is this pad has always had a funky smell. You know, not really mildew or mold, but kind of a plasticky manufacturing smell. And when you first lay down on it, it's kind of annoying. And then this one doesn't have any smell at all. The only real concern I have for this pad is because it's rated, the warmth is rated so high, it has these like crinkly mylar, some kind of insulation. The reviews all said that over time it will quiet down, and I sure hope so, because that could be kind of annoying. So there you have it. Review of the Exped Syn Mat Ultra Light 7 and the Thermarest Xtherm Max. Thanks for watching.